EAC to get that first set.
So that first set lasted 29 minutes. So normally, nasa 22-23 yan.
Yes.
Kasi,
Grabe yung rallies natin.
Alright, we are underway here in set number 2. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Don Ross together with Mika Reyes. And of course, at courtside, we have Glycel Galpo. Amakatan with the first point.
Alam ni Von Di Makulangan na advantage siya, lalo na kapag si Amakatan yung nasa harap. Let's check if magkakaroon ng adjustment for the blockers of EAC.
Formento. Almazan. Juna May. Formento. Oh, Razonable trying to get that one over the net.
Medyo mababa yung set. Sinubukan naman niya na i-over lang pero hindi pa rin nakahabol.
It's 2, serving none.
Omapas.
No check ball for Omapas. Medyo mataas din kasi yung contact niya doon at papalabas na yung bola.
Para sa mga ball touch, sabihan mo yung buong team. Okay?
So first referee Erwin Lou Cordero having a
It's 3, serving none.
conversation with Kat Almazan. Mapas. Cross court. Formento hustling. Jaja Viniena.
Ready si Villena sa
That's
tres
the
na
point
set
for the
doon
Lady
ng
Generals.
kanilang numero. Hindi man siya quick attack
Now
pero
for
yung
the serve.
adjustment niya.
It's Kat Almazan.
3-1 in favor of the Lady Stags. Di Makulangan to Gonzalez.
Good.
Wow, wow, wow. With one hand, naibalik ni Cordial ang bola sa San Sebastian side. That was a crazy return by Cordial.
Point goes to the Lady Generals.
Sungkit ni Cordial.
Now for the serve. It's Kat Almazan.
Ito, panoorin natin.
Di ba? Basta nag-attempt ka lang.
Anong tawag sa attempt na yan? Ang hirap na angulo, ah. Cordial. Back row attack by Kak. Amakatan!
Wow!
Amakatan.
Alam mo, Anton, sabi nga nila sa technical timeout nung first set, hindi nila kayang mapigilan yung V
On
attack.
deck to serve.
V or B
It's
attack
Amakatan.
ni Amakatan.
Mika Reyes na spike yun, ah.
Naku, mas magaling siya.
Oh, Juna May Gonzalez with some power.
Juna Gonzalez.
Pumunta sa bleachers yung bola.
Totoo. You ready ang defense ng EAC
Now
for
5,
this?
serving 2.
Nice to see na malakas din pala tong rookie na to na si Juna May Gonzalez.
That's a positional fault on the side of the Lady Generals. Point goes to the Lady Stags. 6, serving 2.
Looking at Coach Rod, napapagod ako para sa kanya.
Ay, nako.
So kumbaga, nagsisimula pa lang yung araw na ngayon.
Totoo.
After this, may men's pa siya. Tapos yung boys team niya nanonood ngayon, ringside.
Siyempre, yung support ng boys team.
Attack error.
Marasingan unable to time that one properly. Jaja Villena. 4 points. Di makulangan. And Gonzalez again.
Juna Gonzalez.
Wow. Pangalawang bola na yan ni Gonzalez na pumunta sa bleachers. And there's the boys team of EAC. So I was talking to one of the players. I asked them kung ano record nila. Sabi 3-3 daw.
What a
Down the
hit
line, Jen Umapas.
by Umapas.
Jen Umapas, serving.
7-4 in favor of San Sebastian. Kat Santos, respect to this girl. Let's see kung bibigyan siya. Hindi pa binibigyan si Kat. Ay, ano po, Santos!
Nakuha agad ng puntos.
Santos.
Mukhang effective yung pag-tape.
And when we come back, Lysel Galpo will give us an update at courtside.
In people's lives. And with this show, I hope that we're able to do that even more.
Definitely, sir.
Sabihin ko na nga, proud ako dun sa... Ginawa niya sa akin kanina eh. Pinaka-proud ako. Hindi, dun sa...
Please be careful.
Ito na sa binanggit mo, sa mga binanggit mo. Nag-cover siya ng chess nun. Challenge kay Anton yun. With Eugene.
Yeah, GM.
Practice na, di ba, ng online chess? Naglalaro.
Guys,
We were doing that online kasi pandemic yun eh.
nag-commentate siya ng virtual.
So nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Despite the challenging season, these two individuals have been continuously bringing their A game to the court every time. Hindi lang tapang sa court ang mayroon sila because the explosive Kat Santos bravely admitted to me that one of her realizations from this season as an athlete is that she still lacks mental maturity, especially when she is inside the court. Pero asahan daw natin that she will continue to give her all to be a player that her team can depend on. Nang tanungin ko naman ang katukayo niya na si Kat Almazan from the Lady Generals, ang sagot niya sa akin, ang natutunan niya raw sa sarili niya bilang atleta ay ang mas malakas na disiplina. Dahil para sa kanya, ito raw talaga ang susi sa panalo. Kaya naman ngayong araw, ibibigay niya rin ang lahat for her team to win as one of the graduating players. What about you, Anton and Mika? What are your realizations from watching our games this season?
Of course, yung veterans talaga na both teams yung gustong-gustong lumaban at ipapakita naman nila yon sa kanilang teammates, sa kanilang mga rookies kung gaano kalaki yung puso nila sa paglalaro.
Ako naman, realization ko is sino kaya magiging next commentator sa mga graduating players?
Aabangan natin yan.
Hindi kasi, like from the NCAA, Gretzel Soltones, naging
Yes.
commentator. Cheska Rakrakin,
Yes.
naging commentator. But a lot of the commentators are from non-NCAA schools like yourself. So, yung dito, Shola Alvarez.
Yes, of course.
So, dito sa batch na to iniisip ko, sino kaya ang
Sino
bago?
kaya ang pwede dito? Malay mo. Si Kat Santos.
Off the block, Kat Santos.
Bago nga ako sa TikTok So, ngayon ko lang nakikita yung mga tao on TikTok. Ang dami pa ng followers nitong si Kat Santos sa TikTok.
Mahilig din
200,000
ba
plus.
siyang sumayaw-sayaw?
Yes.
Wow.
Sinilip ko yung TikTok niya Parang yung sayaw na naka-training clothes.
Actually, dyan din ako nagsimula. Kasi yung ibang teammates ko din, yun yung ginagawa namin pang warm up. Effective naman. Pawis na pawis ako after.
Ang dami ding fans doon
12-75.
Who have very good memory actually. Here is the serve and it goes wide.
It's
Magalona.
Magalona serving.
Santos.
Wow. What a powerful
Kat
hit
Santos.
by Kat Santos.
Parang hindi na-injure.
I know! Pinagpag lang niya yan.
Pagpag is the word.
On deck to serve. It's Kat Santos.
Para sa'yo, sino yung pinaka-durable na naging teammate mo sa career mo?
Ang dami. I cannot choose.
Well, I would say you are pretty durable kasi ngayon ka lang na-injure.
Well,
Totoo ba?
ng major injury,
major,
yes.
oo.
Actually, yes. Ito na yung mga tumatanda. Ito na yung mga sakit pag tumatanda tayo.
Eh kasi naman, ang tagal mo na rin naglalaro.
I know. Sinisingil na ako yung katawan ko kapag hindi ako nag-stretch.
Back set. Di makulangan. Tumarasigan. Formento. Almazan.
Off the block. Kat Almazan.
Almazan choosing the hands of the blocker. Doon tayo magpapacheck ball.
Speaking of hindi na-injure, feeling ko si Almazan yung type na hindi na-injure.
Pero usog.
Stepping up to serve.
Kasi batak na batak sa laro eh.
I
mean,
know.
beach volleyball,
Yes.
indoor.
Maganda yan kapag alagang-alaga nila yung katawan nila.
EAC trailing by 6 and an ace by Formento.
And Formento.
Sa service aces talaga pumupuhunan ang Lady Generals. At kung hindi man nila makuha yung service ace na yun, nagkakaroon ng kargado, nagiging shaky yung pasa.
Formento. Oh!
Service error.
Sayang.
Stepping up to serve. It's Von Di Makulangan.
Von Di Makulangan. Back set. Almazan.
What a spike
Almazan.
from Almazan.
And
Hindi
also
pa
serve.
nakasarado yung
Almazan.
block ng San Sebastian doon. Napalo na agad ni Almazan.
What a spike by Kath Almazan. Amakatan. Okay, it went beyond the antenna.
Yes. Yung
Ball out.
efficiency ni Amakatan dito sa laro na to.
San Sebastian with a 6-point lead. Sila naman yung naunguna dito sa set na to. Formento to Razonable. That goes long.
Attack goes out.
So San Sebastian heads into this technical timeout with a 7-point
Score
lead.
16-9 in favor of San Sebastian College Recollectors.
In people's lives. And with this show, I hope that we're able to do that even more.
Definitely, sir.
Sabihin ko na nga, proud ako dun sa... Ginawa niya sa akin kanina eh. Pinaka-proud ako. Hindi, dun sa... Dun sa
Please be careful.
Dun sa binanggit mo, sa mga binanggit mo. Nag-cover siya ng chess nun. Challenge kay Anton yun. With Eugene.
Yeah, GM.
Practice na, di ba, ng online chess? Naglalaro.
Guys,
We were doing that online kasi pandemic.
I think this headline or title card is appropriate because even though she has a sprained right ankle, she's still killing it.
I know. During their last game nga against Perpetual, meron siyang 17 total points, 16 spikes, and 1 ace.
Kat Santos not wanting this opportunity to get their first win snipped.
16-39.
You know, interestingly, last season, Mika, 0-6 rin yung San Sebastian eh.
Yes.
And then they won their last 3 matches.
Pero sa EAC naman, nag-start din sila sa tournament ng 0-6 Pero yung first and only match na nakuha nila yung panalo was against San Sebastian. So mauulit kaya to?
Very ironic.
I know.
The irony of this matchup. Vaughn with the toss. Marasigan.
Not over for
That's
Marasigan.
4 hits at the side of the Lady Stags. Point goes to the Lady Generals. 11, serving 16.
So this is 2 straight points para sa EAC. Santos. Villena to Almazan. Amakatan was there. Di makulangan. KJ Dionisio.
KJ
Nagkatinginan yung defense ng Lady Generals doon.
Now stepping up for the serve. It's Tina Marasigan.
Again, yung efficiency ng middle blockers ng Lady Stags. Sobrang laking tulong.
Razonable. Inabangan ni Dionisio. Almazan. And Santos
Off the block. Kat
swinging
Santos.
for the fences.
Another powerful attack by Kat Santos.
Kat Santos, what are you made of?
Third count, 18 to 11 in favor of the Lady Stags.
Hindi pagtapos na tsaka nyo pinag-uusapan, bago pa lang. Di ba? I-coordinate nyo, nababasa nyo, pasecure nyo yung iba. Huwag hindi pa pwedeng sasabihin mo, tres lang. Pasecure mo, yung galaw nila ang isisecure nyo, hindi yung play. Yung galaw nila.
Sabi nga ni Coach Rod, yung galaw nila kasi syempre kailangan muna nating basahin yung play nila, kung saan sila papasok, kung ano yung isasara nila sa block.
Substitution for the Lady Generals.
And you can
Number
already
3 out, number 11.
sense
Galiard
the
is in.
heightened level of frustration in the tone of Coach Rod's
18,
voice.
serving 11.
I guess as a player, di ba, isipin mo rin yung coach mo na you gotta be extra patient with him as well.
Yes.
With his tremendous workload. Napakabigat.
Oh. Tsaka gusto lang naman nila yung makakabuti sa atin.
Samantala, Kat Santos naglalaro na parang hindi natapilok.
Yung adrenaline siguro,
Substitution for the
Anton.
Lady Generals.
Tapos mamaya after ng game. Ang sakit.
Ayun na.
Looked in. 19, serving 11.
8-point lead for San Sebastian. Jump serve para kay Marasigan. Combination play. What a block by KJ.
That's a block point for the Lady Stags.
That was a good set by Lot. Good play. Pero nakaabang ang Lady Stags.
What a block by KJ Dionisio.
You know yung atake ng middle blockers, si Dionisio at Amakataan, very efficient. Yung net defense nila as well, very efficient as well.
Santos. Marasigan. Pwede pa to. Vaughn sends it back to the EAC side. Buhay pa. Free ball. Here's the toss. Razonable. Almazan back row. Oh no, it sails out.
Hindi na take advantage ng Lady Generals yung free ball na binigay ng Lady
Timeout,
Stags
Lady
dito.
Generals. Current count, 21 to 11 in favor of the Lady Stags.
Bakit hindi tayo umisip ng mga tamang paraan para magkaroon ng variation ng attack natin? Kasi ang gusto nyo patayin agad, hindi agad madaling makapuntos, tandaan nyo. Kung nag-iisip kayo, lalo na yung patog, kung sino yung unang bumaba, dun mo paluin. Hindi yung kakita mo may lumutang bigla, tsaka mo dun papaluin. Pwede mo pihitin ng palo. Naintindihan nyo, gumagamit kayo ng patong, hindi kayo nagko-coordinate. Kulang dito, coordination, communication. Kaya hindi gumagana.
Actually, Anton, kanina pa nga gumagawa ng play si Lut dito para sa Lady Generals pero hindi nagagawa ng paraan ng kanilang mga spikers. Sabi nga ni Coach Rod, hanapin nyo kung sino yung unang bumaba na blocker, kung saan nyo pwedeng paluin.
Let's see if the spikers can make the adjustment. Di makulangan. Cordial. Di makulangan to Santos. Lut. Binigay kay Gallardes. Ngayon naman, di makulangan. Pinili si Santos. Lut. Cross court. KJ on the drop. Razonable. Buhay pa. Santos on another drop. Umapas. Another long rally. Lut. Razonable. Ooh.
Almost.
Umapas.
That is inside. Good luck by Junicio. Nandun naman actually yung adjustment ato na mag-variate sila ng atake. Hindi lang palo ng palo. Pero siguro yung timing din kung kailan mo yun gagawin. Kasi ready si Junicio para sa drop ball na yun.
Ganda ng game ni Junicio today. Razonable cross court. Amakatan was there. Marasigan. Santos sends it back to the EAC side. Lut. And Razonable breaks down the wall.
And with that look. Kung hindi daw makuha sa drop ball, papaluin niya ng malakas yan.
On deck to serve, it's Jen Umapas.
I'm trying to think of sino yung pinaka-intimidating na nagbibigay ng look or stare down.
Sino nga ba? Ikaw na lang. Tingin mo, sino?
Well, sa NCAA ngayon sobrang kapansin-pansin si Judiel Nitura ng Letran.
Yes, I know.
Siya yung stare down na may palakpak
Tapos may pumapalakpak pa. I know yan. Naalala ko siya. I think nag-cover ako last week ng game nila. Last point niya kasi yun eh. Kaya sabi ko, deserve naman. Kung ako rin yun, papalakpakan ko yun.
Vaughn. KJ. And Tanisha gets another point.
KJ, Tunisia.
Good effort by the Lady Generals.
All-time naman siguro naka-demoralize pag na-block ka ni Chang Abby Maranyo. Kasi may kasamang sigaw eh.
I know. May turo pa. May pagkembot pa.
Kompleto ah. Stare down, sigaw, turo, kembot. 24-13. San Sebastian at set point. Ooh! Almazan unable to complete it. Gallardes unable to block that one properly. So tabla na po tayo. San Sebastian takes set number 2, 25-13.